So when we did the first part of the compound interest, we were looking for A, and now we're looking for P. So what we got to remember is the difference between A and P is A is the amount later or future value, and P is the present amount. So when you get a question and you're not sure, are we looking for A or are we looking for P? Ask yourself, what do we know and what are we looking for? A is later, P is now. So you have a situation where you have 500 bucks now. What's it going to turn into? You're looking for A. If you have this situation where it's I want 500 bucks later, how much do I have to put away now? I'm looking for P. Okay. There's two different ways to write the equation. I don't like that one. I like this one. Okay. And notice it's the exact same as the last equation over here, except you swap the P for the A and you throw a negative N in here. So when you throw it in your calculator, you're just going to put to the power of whatever negative equals. So for example, here's a question here. I have $5,500. I want to invest money now, and I want $5,500 later in 2 years. Okay. So ask yourself, is this 5,500 A or P? It's later, so it's A, so it goes here. I have 6% interest, so that's the 6. 2 years, so that's the 2, but then we look for a modifier, so look for an LY word here, monthly. Divide by 12 times 12, throw it in your calculator, and you're done. Okay, so same thing as before. You're now multiplying by, except you're multiplying now by a negative exponent. So you put this in, hit this, and then hit this, negative 24. It's 4,879, which is less than 5,500, which makes sense. If you want $5,500 for college in 2 years, you wouldn't put away more than $5,500 today. You'd put less, right? Otherwise, it would make no sense. Your bank would be ripping you off. Okay. So that's how that works. Okay, you just work your way through this question here, get your info, and now because it's semi-annually, go back and figure out that's 2. So you divide by 2, multiply by 2 here, throw it in your calculator, and you're done. Okay. When you look at some further questions here, the practice, all the questions in today's work will be looking for P. We're looking for P. So you'll have the P I don't know, and then you just fill in the blank here, here, and here. All right, so give those a shot. Take a look at those. And then at the end of this, what I'm going to do is give you a quick little quiz on simple interest, compound interest, finding A, compound interest, finding B. You can ignore all of this. Okay, changing conditions, ignore that, ignore that, ignore that. Okay, and then we're going to get to the review, and we can look at the review coming up. And then after that, look at this. That didn't really work out well. Just a little tiny quiz assignment that we'll have early next week. Okay, take it easy.